Can you afford to use Twitter? And would you like to know who the largest Bitcoin holders are? I know, two vastly different subjects, but they are important. I'm going to get into that plus much more. So Elon Musk is floating out the idea right now that a small monthly payment system could be used to combat bots. And if you follow me at Sir Crypto Tips or Heidi at Blockchain Chick, you would know that we have thousands of fake bots pretending to be us on a daily basis, and it's really annoying. But he says, Elon Musk says it's not going to be as much as $8 a month. It's going to be cheaper. Well, I don't know what that means. Does that mean it's going to be $7.99? But he says it's the only way I can think of to combat the vast armies of bots. So, hey, you know what? If that's going to happen, let me know what your thoughts are. If you're going to stick with it, I've already had kind of a poll. I didn't actually do a poll, but I asked the question, are you going to stick with X if Elon Musk decides to go ahead and make it a payment only? Yeah, so I think a lot of people are not going to put up with that. Let me go over to Binance right now with what happened with the SEC, and this happened really fast. What happened with the SEC is that they asked the court for permission to analyze specific documents from Binance US. And not too long after, a judge declines SEC's request. So this is really good news. The SEC is definitely not looking very strong right now. Now we're going to go over the 6 largest Bitcoin holders. You're probably going to be a little surprised at the numbers because all you hear is Michael Saylor, MicroStrategies. But actually, he's number 6. Satoshi Nakamoto is number 1 at 1.1 million Bitcoin. Grayscale, 643,572. Binance, 498,147. You have Bitfinex at 192,508. And then you have the US government at 175,000 Bitcoin. Aww. And then you have poor little MicroStrategies down there at 152,800. Still a ton. Michael Saylor definitely owns more Bitcoin than Heidi and I. But if you do want to see what we are getting into, especially the microcaps, one of them that I just posted today, the link is down below for our CT Club. I think you'll really enjoy it. Anyways, that's all I have. Please like and subscribe, and I will talk to you tomorrow.